So students, now let us proceed further. The integer 1 is the multiplicative identity. That means whenever we multiply any integer by 1, again the results comes out to be the same. The multiplication of integer is distributive over addition and subtraction. As we have for the addition, you can see the distributive property here, and for the subtraction also the distributive property over subtraction. When a positive integer is divided by a positive integer, the quotient is always a positive integer. Again here, the division and multiplication follow the same rule. That means when positive number multiplied by positive, the result is a positive. Same thing in the division also. When a negative integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient is again a positive number. Again the same thing, when minus multiplied by minus gives us the result positive. The same thing in the division also. A negative integer divided by a negative integer gives a positive result. When a positive integer is divided by the negative integer, or a negative integer is divided by a positive integer, the quotient is always a negative in number. Again, as we know that when my plus is multiplied by minus or minus is multiplied by plus, the result is always a negative. The same concept in the division also. For any integer, when a divided by 1 is always a. That means any number when divided by 1 always gives a result the same number. 0 is division by 0 is not defined, as we have studied earlier, that if any integer is divided by 0 is not defined, or we can say infinite. Now let us come to this review exercise. Question number 1. Find the additive inverse. Additive inverse means if they are having a negative sign, you have to tell the answer in positive, and if they tell the answer in the positive, then the result will give in the negative. So minus 4 will be equals to plus 4. Additive inverse of minus 18 equals to plus 18. Additive inverse of 620 will be equals to minus 620. Additive inverse of 60 equals to minus 60. Additive inverse of minus 244 equals to plus 244, and similarly the same thing with F part. Question number 2, here we have to evaluate the following in the two ways. Here when they say for the two ways, that means first of all you have to add it simply, and the second case either you use the concept of majority, that is negative numbers are in the majority in the question number 2a part. So we'll add them first, therefore the results comes out to be minus 5, and minus 5 plus 5, the results comes out to be equals to 0. And in the second case, first of all you add these two numbers, the results comes out to be 3, and 3 minus 3 again comes out to be equals to 0. Similarly in the B part, if you apply the concept of majority, first you have to see where the major majority is positive numbers, 7 and 6. We'll add it first of all. Whatever the results comes, then we'll subtract it from minus 12. So that means 13 minus 12, which comes out to be equals to 1. In the second case, first of all we'll add 7 minus 12. The results comes out to be equals to whatever the results it comes, and then we have to add it with the number 6. Then in this way you have to solve all the up till F part. In the question number 3, we have to find the missing numbers. So what must be added here? So the results comes out to be equals to 3. So you have to place minus 4 here, because minus 4 plus 7 comes out to be equals to 3. Minus 8, what to be added here? The results comes out to be 6. So here you have to take a bigger positive number such that the results comes out to be a 6, like so on. Question number 4, fill in the blanks with the following statements. What to be added here? The results, as you can see here from the equality side, both the results should come out to be same. So here the missing number is minus 5. So you have here you have to place minus 5, and here you have to place minus 8. And what must be added? The results comes out to be same. The 0 is the number, and here the minus 19 will be there for the C part. Similarly, what to be added? Here you can see this number minus 7 is missing. So here you will place minus 7, and in this one here we will place 12, because 12 is missing from here. What to be added to these two, such that again here the number you can see plus 18, the plus 18 will be coming here, and similarly minus 9 and minus 10 will be coming in these two places. Question number 5, express the following statement as a product of integers. As you can see here, there is a jump of 3 all the times. And how many times the jump has been taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So the result will be equals to 3 multiplied by minus 5. Because why it's where minus 5 I have taken? Because minus 5 times I have jumped toward my left hand side of 0. Therefore I am taking it's a minus 5. So the results comes out to be equals to minus 15. So what you have to write the statement here, 3 multiplied by minus 5 or 5 multiplied by minus 3, both the answers will be correct.